In this video, I'll show you how to connect TikTok Shop to Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, click Settings, then select Apps and Sales Channels. After that, open the TikTok Sales channel. If you haven't installed it yet, add the TikTok app from the Shopify App Store. Now click Open Sales Channel and sign into your TikTok business account. Next, connect your TikTok Ads Manager account if prompted, then continue to the setup options. After that, choose TikTok Shop and connect your existing TikTok Shop seller account. If you don't have one yet, follow the prompts to create a TikTok Shop account first. Now review the permissions and click Authorize to allow Shopify and TikTok Shop to share product and order data. Next, select the Shopify products you want to sync with TikTok Shop and confirm your inventory and pricing settings. After that, choose your shipping and fulfillment preferences to ensure orders from TikTok Shop are processed correctly through Shopify. Now complete the setup and wait for your products to sync to TikTok Shop. Finally, visit your TikTok Shop Seller Center and verify that your products have been imported successfully and are ready for sale. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect TikTok Shop to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.